Hello. Today I'm going to briefly show you how to remove unwanted noise like an air conditioner or a fan or breathing noises or chair squeaking, obviously, as I'm showing you right now. I'm squeaking my chair, sorry about that. I'm going to show you how to use Audacity to remove unwanted noise like air and stuff like I just said. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go download Audacity if you do not have it already. Once you've downloaded it, you record or use your audio file in here. You can click file and open an audio file, whatever you want to do. Basically, all you need to do is go to a selected piece of unwanted sound here. Let's look at this. For example, we don't like the air noises in there. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to Effect right here, and we're going to go to Noise Reduction. We're going to click on that, and what we're going to do is we're going to select Get Noise Profile. So what Get Noise Profile does is it gets this wavelength here. It looks at this whole wavelength here, and now we're going to select the whole thing. You can press Control A, or you can select the whole thing, and we're going to go back to Effect, and we're going to go back to Noise Reduction, and we're going to click OK. What this is doing is it's taking this sound, the sound waves here, and it is applying a removal algorithm to the whole sound file. So anything that is identical to that sound file is being removed from the sound waves throughout this whole file. That is very useful because if you want to get into professional audio creation, you don't want to be having a bunch of air noises or squeaking, or even you can even filter out uhs. If you say a lot, you can filter that out. You can filter out breathing noises. So I did just want to mention to you, while I still have your attention, when you exit the first noise reduction, make sure you deselect the clip that you have had and then to select all. Because if you only select that one clip, you will not successfully delete all of that noise throughout the whole file. That's very important, and I often make that mistake. I try to noise removal and then I go straight back into it and I try to only remove it in that one clip. No, you have to do it through the whole file. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, and if you really liked it, leave a comment, maybe leave a suggestion, and thank you for watching.